So here's an example of the parking space, right? We have 5 meters here, right? But this 5 meters is the same thing as this, right? Because they're parallelograms. So then the area for the one parking space is going to be the base, which is 5 meters, multiplied by the height, which is 2.8 meters, okay? So if I multiply this through, I end up getting 14 meters squared. Okay, so this is basically the area, right, for one parking spot, and we know that the cost to pave each parking spot is $21. So for one single parking spot, we have $21.5. Okay. Now for the other values here, for 5 parking spaces, the area of 5 of them would just be the area of one, right? So the area of one parking spot multiplied by 5. Okay. The area for the 10 spaces and the 50 spaces have the same result, right? This is the area for one of the parking spots, right? So then if you want 10 of them, you just multiply this by 10. Here we multiply by 50. As for the total cost, right? The cost for 5 parking spots will be $21.50 times 5, right? Because this is per, right? Per parking spot. And if you have 5, you have to multiply by 5. For this one, we're multiplying by 10. And for this one, we're multiplying by 50. You end up with these values here.